This is a spring makeup look I've been doing lately, a lighter skin, soft blush, nothing too heavy, especially because my allergies have been so bad lately. Okay, already applied Too Faced primer. I'm going to move on to the Giorgio Armani foundation. I'm going to add more so I can build on top of it. I have this Lancome concealer underneath the eye. I'm gonna blend underneath the eye. I love this concealer. It's coverage, but not too heavy for the eye. I do like to apply it on the top of my nose because I do like to shape it. I know, crazy, right? We're gonna grab the sponge just to like blend and lighten up that area. We're applying a line across the nose, especially today in a very puffy day. And then making a U shape right on the tip of the nose. Now for the concealer, like this. Now blending it right on the side. We're gonna blend, 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 blend. I will never stop doing my nose contour. I am like Megan Fox when she did that interview with Call Me Daddy, and she was like, she noticed midway that she hasn't done her nose contour, and then you could see she's like bummed out. Little freckles here. What I love about freckles, it gives you the illusion of shadow. I'm just going to show you really quick that I did not skip out on the contour. I am still using the Milani one. For the eyes, I'm going to do a NARS concealer. It seems to give me the most coverage, and because right now with the allergies and the darkness around the eye, I want a concealer that'll give me more full coverage. We're going to grab the first color. Ooh, I love how pigmented, more caramel kind of color, and put it in on the eyelid. We're gonna blend in right in the inner, and then we kind of go in circles and like blend out. I want the shadow to show because I'm thinking of more of a lighter look. I want to go in with this champagne color. It's so pretty. Ooh. And with this very dark brown eyeshadow here, I'm going to create a wing. It's like a smoky wing. We're grabbing the shadow. I'm just putting it as close to the eyebrow. And with your finger, we're going to blend it. I'm gonna apply mascara, the Too Faced Rare Beauty. Ooh, this is actually perfect for right at the end. This is very, very pretty. Now, a little bit goes a long way when it comes to Rare Beauty. And with your finger, I'm just gonna be blending that out like this. We're gonna dab it and kind of keep taking it out. When I do blush like this, my cheeks do end up looking a little fuller. So remember that. This isn't this right here. This is a full blown. Also apply it on my nose. I'm gonna do the white first actually. They need to use this formula to do like a foundation powder. Okay, we're gonna grab that caramel. We're going to apply it underneath the eyes pretty lightly. Okay, we're gonna try these right here. These press-on pre-glued underneath extensions. We're gonna outline the top of the lip and the bottom of the lip. Have a blending brush on hand, like a lip brush. This right here, like that. Cleaning up the lip, I feel makes a really big difference. Now for the lip oil. With the finger, I'm just gonna blend. No perfect edges. we're going to apply this Easy Bake Spray. Maybe because it's much lighter on the face, I like it. Do you like the fluffy lips? Do you not? I feel like it gives a more youthful look to you. I wanted to show you video footage from my iPhone compared to my professional camera. Like, wow. Love doing makeup looks through my iPhone because it just gives it more of like a prettier look. Maybe because of the lens, though I do think it's very important to use the professional camera. That way you can see the makeup, how it really looks. Anyways, just wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Adios.